You want to create urgency or boost the conversions on your funnel page. In this video, I will show you how to add a countdown timer in GoHighLevel funnels, so your visitors feel motivated to take the action immediately. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link of GoHighLevel and for the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So to get that, just check the link from the description and let's get back to the video. Once you are inside your GoHighLevel and you are logged into this account, just click on this marketing here from this left panel and go to this countdown timers. Here you can see there is the option to create a new, then click on this new button here, and you will see there are some variation or option for the countdown. Like from this template you can choose anyone, which one you want to like. So for this video I'm just going to go with this one, then click on this continue with this template here. Now make sure you select the dynamic for the best timing, or if you want to use the fixed for the fixed timing like this date to this date, then you can do that. But in this video I'm going to use this one, the dynamic. Then you can control the user here or the email, or you want to change the time zone, then you can do all of this thing. So after doing all of this thing, if you want, then you can change the color or this kind of thing from this styling option. So just do that if you want. After doing all of this thing, let's say you want to change the color like this. Okay, now just click on this save to save this style, and after that you have to copy this for the embedded code. So just click this copy code and you will see this pop up here. Just simply click on this copy button here. Now it's copied, then close that and go back to your funnel. Now click on this site to go to your funnel page. Then here just choose the page or the funnel where you want to add the countdown. So in this video I'm going to use this funnel, the dental one. So this is the home page. I want to use this page, so let's click on this edit. Let's say I want to add the countdown at the top of this page, so click on this plus icon here and search for the code. So just drag and drop here, okay, at the top, and just click on this. Now click on this open code editor and paste the code here, then click on this save. Okay, then click on this save and publish this page. So you can see there is not showing the countdown timer here, but if we go back and if we click on this preview button here, let's give it a time like this preview, then you can see the countdown timer is showing on this top of this page. So that's it. Basically this is how you can easily add the countdown timer on your funnel page. So if you want to replace these from here to here or at the center, you can do that. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.